Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Beauty by Shefira. So I'll be taking you guys on how to do a simple makeup. I don't think it's simple though, but okay, she just finished cleaning her face and now she applying some oil. Yeah, I can remember she saying don't ever put your makeup on bare skin. Okay, and I think this is a foundation. She's applying her foundation. Blend, touch it, touch up everything. Okay, is that okay? This is another color of foundation. Oh no, okay, yeah, still foundation. Powder, no, this thing was like liquid. Anyway, blend it. Yeah, add some more. Okay, all right. I don't know why she's doing her eyes like that though. Can't she not just blend it without doing her face like that? Okay, more touch up. Yes, this is contour. Okay, contour that nose to give us some Queen of England pointed nose. Okay, contour the cheekbones. Yes, okay. Alright, contour the nose more. Alright, now you see you have pointed nose, and I think this is a different color. So is this, oh, that is just powder, I guess. Time for the eyebrows. You need to draw the eyebrows at an angle of 58 degrees. With your concealer underneath, blend. This is eyeshadow. Yes, eyeshadow. This thing is looking really easy. Piece of cake. Yes, some beautiful lashes. Oh my god. More blending. Alright. Okay, this is some shiny effect. Bronze, blush. Yeah, but one of the two though. Oh, the nose is shining. Set it baby, set it. Alright. Yeah, we're almost there. Oh, we're not finished. Oh. Yes, time for the lippy. Okay. Oh goodness gracious. This is some red. Oh god. This is looking like Mercedes-Benz S-Class interior. Oh no. Anyway, if you have made it this far and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe for me so that they can pay me my money. And if you love this look, please put a comment on the session. And thank you for watching. This is art. Until next time, bye and have a nice day.